Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making shrimp scampi with egg noodles and broccoli florets. So let's get this going. Okay guys, now we're going to need one 16-ounce bag from the shrimp scampi that I got here at Sam's Club. So and then of course one 12-ounce bag egg noodles. I'm going to put in a cup of the pepper onion mix, and of course I'm going to put one bag of the broccoli florets. This is a good way to eat the broccoli. And also we'll get 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, which is about 2 cloves. At least that's the conversion. And a half a stick of butter. So let's get this going. I got some water starting to boil over here, so we'll cook the egg noodles and start getting everything going here now. And this is a really enjoyable thing. I think you guys will enjoy it. Okay guys, we got this boiling here, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just take, got about half, got this filled about halfway and got the water boiling. So I'm gonna put in the whole package, get it good stirred up, get it going. We're gonna let this boil, get cooked. Okay guys, there we go. That bag that's coming back up. We're gonna let this cook. While we get this, while the egg noodles are cooking, we're gonna start doing some of the other stuff that we need to do. And we'll get this all going and good. So let's go back over to the other side. Okay guys, we got this heated up here. So we're gonna open this up. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna put our little bit of butter in here. Got a half cup of butter, we're gonna put that in there. Let me get my thing in here. We're all that good and going. Put in our cup of the peppers and onions mix. I like using the bag. I like cutting them up. But when you like all three, it kind of gets expensive to buy them all. I'm going to go ahead and put in our garlic. Now we're going to go ahead here and put in our broccoli. And I'm gonna get these all cooked up here. And this stuff I've made before, and it was good. So we're just gonna just put this on here, let this cook up a little bit. Give it a few minutes, and I'll see you shortly. This stuff is some good stuff, so alright, we'll see you here shortly. Okay guys, we got the vegetables cooked a little bit, so they are pretty much done. We're in a good state here. So what we're gonna do here, while the egg noodles is finishing up, we're gonna go ahead and get the bag of the shrimp scampi out. And we're going to put the shrimp scampi in. this is so good. You get a good mixed in there. All right, so starting to smell really good in here. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook a little bit more, a few more minutes, and then we'll put in the egg noodles and we'll be almost done. So I'll see you guys shortly. Okay guys, let's take a look at this. Oh, it's looking good. Shrimp is almost done. Just a minute or two more on that. So, and the egg noodles are done. So we're going to go ahead and drain those and put those in. Okay, here we go. Let's go. All right, now we're going to just open this up. We're going to just pour egg noodles right on top of this. All right. There we go. Put down in there. And you'll just very lightly just stir this all in there with the sauce and the shrimp and the broccoli and the peppers all mixed in there. Let me tell you, this stuff tastes so good. I made this for my mom for Mother's Day, and she absolutely enjoyed it. I had leftovers for several days. Alright, we got a good mixed in. You want to get a good mixed in here. Oh, all good and coated. Alright guys, so I'm going to put this in and let it sit for a few minutes. Let it simmer. You know, let the taste, all the sauces and stuff kind of get it in together and in the pasta and the egg noodles, and we'll see in just a little bit. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this scooped up here. And it looks so good. Let's get this scooped up here. Alright, look at that. That looks so good. Okay. We're going to go ahead and turn this on. Alright. So, look at it. That looks so good, doesn't it? Alright. Let's put a little bit of thing in here. Okay, let's go. This is so good. The butter and the garlic. Oh. I'll tell you guys, this is really good. Alright, again, this is the shrimp scampi with egg noodles and broccoli. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take time to comment below and let me know if you try it and if you like it. And if If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel to catch other cooking videos like this. I put a cooking video out every Saturday. And I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure type videos as well. Well, guys, I'll see you next video. And enjoy the day that the Lord has made for you. And see you later. I'm going to finish eating this up.